My makeup looks so good. I recently found my Stila glitters all over again. I'm surprised that they're not so dry. I've had them for years. They're probably not good to be on the eyes, but I do it anyway.
Implants in my ass.
They apparently, I guess they don't do BBLs. Who came up with this line? Oh, hello. Oh, hi. They're so neat.
After I was basic today.
What?
Vanilla latte.
Well, you've got waffle pieces, so it's no longer basic. What was this one? The ice cream latte. I'll put that on the screen. I feel like mine's more basic than yours. Edamame, we got stuffed fried tofu.
Luna.
And we've got vegetable dumpling. They look like they have grill marks on them. And then we're watching JoJo's. literally so hot and it's so bright outside. Oh my goodness. Not to mention it's starting to get kind of windy, which leads me to believe that the leaves are starting to crack. It's gonna rain soon. Also, I feel like I look a little childish, so I don't know how I like this hairstyle. I've been thinking of this exact hairstyle for like a few days, or maybe like a week or so, I don't really know, in my head of being like, what if I did like, I've been seeing like braided pigtails and like ponytails and stuff, and I really wanted to do that, but like on my hair and like my hair texture, because I never see anybody with my hair do this without extra braid, like extra like braiding hair or like extensions or anything like that. I'm like, I don't want to do it with extra extensions, one, because I don't have any that match my hair color, but I wanted to just do it with my actual hair, so I did that today. I think the bows is maybe what's putting it over the top of feeling childish. I also wanted to have my bangs out, but my bangs have been acting so funky. I don't know what it is. I think it's probably time for me to cut my bangs again, but like I've been trying to not cut them because the last time I cut them wet, which, as you know, if you have curly hair, is a no-no. I don't know why I did that, but I cut them way too short. So I was walking around here with micro bangs and have been for months now, and I've been waiting for them to grow back out before I cut them again, because I don't want to cut them when they're already too short. They're way shorter than I wanted them to be in the first place, so I don't want to cut them. But I think it's time to trim them again because they're acting funky.
If I would fall into the shop.
The smallest knob of ginger, like it's smaller than my thumb. Mushrooms and stuff, and these, oh, I love these. These are so good. I like the texture. They get really nice and crispy, but they also like kind of connect to one another, so when you flip them over they look really cool. You'll see what I'm talking about when I cook them later. So this is what we made. This is mine. We got the Impossible beef tips, tofu, green onion from the backyard, edamame, some mushrooms, a dashi soy-based sauce or soup, whatever. Then we got the seaweed. We have vegetable dumplings, more green onions, because you can never have too many green onions. And this is my boyfriend's bowl. You want to tell us what's in here?
Chicken.
Yours looks so good too. I'm excited, and we're gonna watch JoJo's. So this is what we're eating. Oh, that looks so good. Hold on, I'm gonna take a photo. For the past couple days, instead of leaving my house, I've been cleaning my closet. I've been decluttering my closet. So if you haven't checked out my little dip pop, you should, because I literally have currently at this moment
it's not fully maybe done growing. I don't know, because I still have a couple more sections of my wardrobe to go through. But yeah, I have a pile of things that I now need to take photos and list, measure, all that, because I refuse to list items with no measurements. That sounds like a risky gamble to me. I wouldn't do that. I don't buy items without at least having an idea of some measurements, or knowing the brand and knowing like the size that I am in that brand. Like, I don't just buy shit blindly like that. So I wouldn't expect anyone else to, realistically. But I did try a new hairstyle. It's essentially a claw clip hairstyle, but there's like little mini twists or whatever at the top. I saw a photo on Pinterest. I'll try to credit who it was and pop up the photo maybe. But she did braids. I was not gonna do braids. Not this many times in my hair. And not this small. I just wasn't. So I did twists. I also tried a new lip combo today. I really like this. I feel like it feels very vibrant. I feel like I want to put like a color shifting gloss on top. I have a blue brown one that I think would eat. But at the same time, I don't think it would go with my makeup, because I'm trying a new Douyin style today, where it's the colors are a bit different, where it's more like vampiric type of style. You see like my under eyes like more red, and I kind of like it. I overall really like my makeup. I really like my hair. I really like my outfit. I just feel very cute and very pretty today. I played music while I was taking like photos and videos earlier, because I get self-conscious. So that's another reason why I also like wearing headphones outside and around and all that, because I feel less self-conscious when I literally cannot hear you. And I wasn't really sure what I wanted to listen to at first, because I recently remembered Dua Lipa's Future Nostalgia album. And I know that that may sound fucking crazy, because look at me. Do I look like a Dua Lipa fan? The answer should be yes, because I am. Where it feels like vintage, feels familiar, feels like pop goody, like it makes you want to move. Like, you can't listen to those songs and not want to dance at least a little bit. These are smoking. Oh my gosh. Can we have an anime moment while I guess my tea steeps for a second? I have been really enjoying shoujo anime this season. If you're into shoujo anime, this has been a good fucking season for shoujo anime. Oh my gosh. Because for a while I wasn't really watching it, and don't get me wrong, I love shonen. JJK is like probably one of my like top fucking animes. And if you read the manga, I know it can get a little questionable. It is a little questionable. But I'm having a good time. And I honestly feel like we should all approach like media in that same vein. I feel like we should just be having more fucking fun. Like, don't get me wrong, there's room for like critical discussions and like, you know, critiquing pieces of media. We should be able to critique everything, and that's fine. However, if you're not trying to critique it like fully, just have fun. You know, it's like we don't gotta dissect every little detail unless we're talking about Attack on Titan. A lot of shonen anime protagonists be gaining powers and like power-ups, and like they don't go through a whole magical girl transformation type thing. No, but they get like powers, and then they immediately are like strong as shit. They're like the chosen one. They need to defeat somebody to protect the world, protect Japan, whatever the case may be. They're magical boys. I don't know why we would need to critique this to the T. Sometimes it could just be fun to watch it. I'm trying to be less critical of things, because I want to enjoy things, and I feel like we should all be just trying to enjoy things, because things don't have to, like, I feel in general like things are so sucky and shitty in the world, if you look too deep into anything, that you should be able to have your escapism media, at least if it's not bad, like in the sense where like watching a silly nonsensical anime is like the least of your concerns.